Hey everybody, I just got an exciting package in the mail from my friend Lisa. She found me one of the accordions. It's the Hyunjin accordion. So I'm gonna pull it out of the package so I can move my hand. I'm actually going to open an album with you on camera. I haven't done this. Yes, this is the first time. This is the Hyunjin accordion. I have the others coming from K-Place. They're supposed to ship today. I don't see that happening. So excited. He's in my bias line. My bias line is Han, Lino, Hyunjin, and then Felix. So now for my bias line, all I need is Felix. Oh my gosh, I don't want to rip it. Whew. All right. Remove that. This has all the photo cards in it. I don't know if it's one or two. So here are those photos. Ooh. I love these. And then the group photo that is in every single one. But look at these photos. He looks like a whole different person with his short hair. The CD is in here. CD. So I need, just for the accordion, Bang Chan, Lino, Han. Now for the pop version, which the last one I got had a pop and I didn't know it was going to. I need Lino, Hyunjin, Han, Felix, Seungmin. So let's see how many photo cards are in here. Ah! I just saw them. Hold on. There are two, and I just saw the one. Seungmin, I needed this. Ooh. Hyunjin with his hand heart. Okay, what's this? Seungmin, okay. I needed this one. I think I already have Seungmin, but that's okay. I like these. I like these as like dividers for my binders. This one I don't know what I'm going to do yet. I think I'm going to put it to the side to trade. I will put him in my binder, though. Protect him. And then this book is the lyric book. It's in all of them. That is all I have. I was really excited to open this. I went to the post office at like 7:30 and they hadn't sorted their packages yet. And then I checked the mail again at 8:30 and it was delivered. So I went down and got this. I've been waiting for this. So let's mark him off the list. Oh. Page is locked. Cool. I just bought a compact version also, so that will be coming in the mail. I have it coming UPS rather than USPS because UPS will come to my house. It's just easier that way. The Skazoo version, I'm not going to have any of those because I gave my sister those Skazoo versions and she sent me her Skazoo, so I can't remember what. Oh, I think I'm getting the set. So I don't think I'm going to get anything from this line or this line, but I'll have this, I think. This, I still don't have all of these. I'm not going to get the vinyls. I feel like my sister sent me one of these. I'm not sure. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching today's video. I was really excited to get this. I've been talking about this like all week. Okay, thank you all so much. Bye.